Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Confirm Windows XP SB3 and that your phone's tethering option is active. Plug the phone with the original USB cable, then watch Windows Attempt Driver install. If drivers fail, install the manufacturer's PC Suite or generic RNDIS driver. This lets XP see the phone as a network adapter. Once done, open Control Panel and Network Connections to observe the new adapter. Make sure airplane mode is off on the phone and mobile data is on so the link can carry internet traffic. Now configure the adapter so traffic flows through the phone. Open Network Connections and right-click the new USB network adapter, then Properties. Select TCP/IP and choose Obtain IP address and DNS server automatically unless your carrier specifies static values. In advanced settings, lower the adapter metric to prioritize the USB connection over Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Once configured, right-click and repair the adapter to force DHCP. Make sure other adapters are disabled or deprioritized. Finish by testing the connection. Open a browser and load a page, then run ping 8 to check basic reachability and ping Google, com to verify DNS. If pages don't load, toggle USB tether on the phone, unplug and replug the cable, then reinstall drivers or the vendor suite. Reboot both devices if issues persist. A key troubleshooting tip: set the USB adapter metric to 1 and temporarily disable other adapters. This forces traffic through the tether and often resolves routing conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.